morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum, Ripple and Bitcoin. It's Thursday, the 11th of June. Jumping straight in, looking at EOS, US dollar and the 1 hour candlesticks. It's been a mixed start to the day. We're going to need to see EOS avoid the pivot at 275.30 to support a run at the first major resistance level that sits at 279.58. We're going to need support from that broader market, however, for EOS to break out from Wednesday's high at 278.44. Barring an extended rally, we expect the first major resistance level in Wednesday's high to cap any upside on the day. A pullback through the morning high could see EOS fall back through the pivot at 275.30. That would bring the first major support level at 272.13 into play. Barring extended sell-off, however, we should see EOS avoid sub 270 support levels. The second major support level sits at 267.84. Looking at the daily candlestick, we're seeing this range-bound period here. EOS is going to need to break out through to 2.9 levels to bring this major resistance level at 311s into play. Failure to break out could see a downward trend kick in that would bring this major support level at sub 225s into play. That would then bring a reversal of this upward momentum into play. So we're still stuck in this key level here where a breakout is going to be needed to avoid a reversal. Moving across to Ethereum US dollar, it's been a relatively bullish start to the day. We're going to need to see Ethereum avoid sub 247s to support a run at the first major resistance level that's at 251.68. Again, we're going to need support from the broader market for Ethereum to break out from Wednesday's high, that's at 250.56. Barring extended rally, that Wednesday's high and first major resistance level should cap any upside. Fall through the 247 pivot would bring the first major support level at 243.25 into play. Barring extended sell-off, we should see Ethereum avoid sub 240s. The second major support level sits at 238.37. Moving across to the daily candlesticks, we're seeing this upward trend resume. That's bringing that key major resistance level into play at 253 levels. Ethereum's going to need to break out from the 23.6% fib at 257, however, to really kick this upward momentum into play and bring 300 levels into play. Failure to break out from the key resistance level at 251 will bring a downward pressure into play, and a fall back through that major support level at sub 180s could bring a reversal into play. So we're seeing this upward trend resume, but breaking out through the 23.6% fib is key. Moving across to Ripple's XRP, it's been a mixed start to the day. Ripple falling back from early high. We're going to need to see Ripple avoid 2020 levels to support a run at this first major resistance level at 2047. Going to need that support from the broader market to break out from Wednesday's high 2038.9. Barring extended rally, we see that first major resistance level and Wednesday's high capping any upside on the day. Fall through that pivot at 2020 would bring the first major support level at 2005 into play. Barring extended sell-off, however, we should see Ripple avoid sub 1990s. The second major support level sits at 1981. Looking at the daily candlesticks, we're seeing Ripple also struggling at current levels. Going to need to see a breakout through to 0.22 levels to bring that key resistance level at 23.6s into play. Failure to break out to 22s could see a downward trend resume, and that would bring that key support level at sub 18s into play. That would then bring a reversal into action. Finally, glancing over to Bitcoin. Yesterday we talked about Bitcoin breaking through to 9,900 levels to support the broader market. We saw that happen yesterday and we've seen that happen this morning. Holding on to 9,900 should support the broader market, with a breakout for Bitcoin likely to bring a bullish day for the pack.